Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the print management feature on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button and select Settings. On the left side, select Apps and then select Optional Features on the right. Go ahead where it says add an optional feature, select the blue view feature button, and you want to search for print management. Go ahead and check mark next to that and select next, and then select install. And there you go, guys. It says it's been installed, and that's about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.